it's here, Valerie again, and now I'm here at the inside of the house, and there I need to walk all of them. And where's the other dog? I forgot him. Oh, she's already there. Okay, but I need to put her seat first before I take off her leash. I just need to get it Snowball. Okay, I need to put your dye. Snowball and Snowy are boys. Berry and Costia are girls. So I'm just gonna put that thing and the purple, and I need some blue dye, and maybe I'll just go with black dye for the different of the two. Who are you? This is Berry, so I'm just gonna dye her. Dye her in the violet. Who is Costia here? I think this is Costia. This is Costia. Oh, I cannot see her name because her name is not showing. Who is this? This is Costia. Oh, this is Berry? Why do I have two Berry? Snowy! I need to dye you. Dye. Oops, dye. See. Okay, already dye you. And I need to go now on outside and get Snowball her dye. Okay, Snowball, have her dye. Snowball, dye. Okay. Okay, dye. Hey, it's a dye. Okay. Sorry. Hey. Dye. Why? I keep killing her. Dye. Okay, you're dye in black. Now let's just go on the chest and get their leash, guys. Need them to walk because it's already just morning. It's time for them for an exercise. So here I had the black dye, that of course that thing. And maybe I'll just put that thing in there and that thing. I forgot. And I had the keys over here. I just put it on my chest there. Oh, I forgot the leash for them. Oh, where's the leash? I think it's on the backpack. Yeah, it's on the backpack. Just need to get the leash. I mean the lead. And that is it. Okay. I need to put this one on the back. And this one, I'll just keep this on my roll. And guys, I'm sorry I just forgot to leash you up. And who is this again? This is Berry. So Berry again. Oh, I mean on leash. Stand and leash. Okay. Snowy, stand and leash. How about you? I cannot stand. I just need to put there. Okay, I'm just gonna put it there. Hey! Snow. Okay, stand. And oh, there's coming here. Where's my dogs? Oh, this is our leash ones. I'll leash you. Okay, let's go outside for Snowball. Guys, come on. Okay, that's good. Oh, sorry. Okay, I just need to walk you. Okay, guys. Here. So nice here. Maybe I'll just get the bone. I need the bone because we're looking them here. Come on, guys. Come on. Follow me. If you want this, follow me. Okay, just lock you in. Get that thing in. Close the door first. can't go. Oh, get up there. Okay, okay, need to leash, leash. Leash again, and leash. And, what's happening? Hey, okay. Cannot put your leash. I kill you. Leash. Come on, let's go, guys. Let's go out for a day. Come on, guys. Come on. No, I cannot. Let's put that. Okay, 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 okay. You need the bone over here. I had the bone, guys. Do you want the bone? Come here. Come inside then. Then lock you. Lock the door again. And I just... Okay, I think I'm 3 minutes for collecting that. Okay. Okay. Okay, leash. Okay. I think I just need to lock it, the door then. I killed you. Sorry. I need to leash you here. Guys, and open this. Come on, guys. Come on. Just need to lock the door. And let's go to Snowball. Okay, Snowball, stand. Stand. And I cannot leash you up. Leash. Okay, let's go, guys, for a morning walk. Let's go. I'm kind of sick, guys, so guys, come out. No, come here. Okay, you bad girls. Come here. Lock that. And Rumble hitting. Oh, I'm not hurting, right? My 4 pets just already dead. And I just need to call Dad before I'm going out. Here is my computer for calling Dad. Because I need a big frame. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's call Dad. Call Dad. Hey, Daddy. How are you? I'm okay here. And here's my dog. And it's okay. Bye, guys. And by that I mean I need to go now. Okay, okay. Let's go, guys, outside and take a walk now. Because I have swimming lessons later, I'll just put you on your nursery games. In the hospital, you can allow them to go there. Actually, guys, in the hospital, and later I'll just go on my swimming lesson, and after that I'll just change for a minute. Okay, because I need to have my swimming lessons, but I don't need it because I just already had swimming last summer, and I'm not gonna attend first the swimming lesson today. Because I need to inject them, guys, and I'll just have their inject here, and I just said I need to put them. There's a bat here. Oh, you don't want. Oh, gee. Okay, guys, do you want a bones? Follow me. You just need to talk to the nurse. Hey, nurse. Do you have the thing? The room for the inject for my dogs? Yeah, we have that. And just go there, the red room there. Oh, okay. Hurt you. We already hurt that thing. Why are you in the hospital? You're not allowed here. Why is this door like this? Come on, guys, let's go fast. Okay, you cannot go. Hey, guys, come here. How about they put them all here? Wait, guys. So, guys, I'm just done injecting them. Let's go there. Let's go, guys. Snowball, Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Guys, let's go to the store. But I don't want to attend the evening classes. I just had my pool on the yard. That's why I'm just coming here. Oh, they're going with me. Oh, where's your... Are you 4? Where's your missing brother? I think your brother... Escape from us. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, just stay there, guys. Oh, there's a camel over there. There. Ride. Why are you so slow? Need to hold something. This? Carmel, let's go. Actually, guys, it's my pet and I leave her there for some days because I'm not using her. What's happening? See it? See it? I want you to see it. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna pull you, see? Hey, guys, come here. To make this stand. I need to make them stand, but stand. Oh, not there. Stand. Okay, then follow me. I'll try you to get by follow. Oh, where are you going here? You are following me with bones. Do you want these guys? Okay, follow me. Follow my heart. Hey, come here. Come here. I had the bone. Okay, let's go upstairs in your room and okay, doggies. Sorry. I'm here. Okay, just getting here. Fast now. I'm angry. So guys, this is the end of the video. Bye.